So I'm pushing the clutch in, seeing if the clutch brake and everything is good, which should fall in gear just like that. Now I'm going to give you an example. Let's say if the clutch brake is bad, it would be doing like this. You would be trying to fight the gear. It would be fighting you to get in. But here we can see clutch brake.
Really?
Gauges is up.
You would still buy it doing all of this?
Yeah, I mean, these just screws loose. Look, halfway. I mean, international. Half the dashes is off.
Okay, just checking.
Okay. First gear. Feel smooth.
Haven't you ever wanted to be on TV?
Never been too one in too much pain.
What is with this cord hanging from the top?
Those are CD wires. Woo! Going everywhere. Woo! So, off to a great start.
Cracks in the windshield.
Goes in the gear pretty good. Not a lot of vibrating, pretty smooth. Oil pressure staying up there around the 40 gauge.
Do we know what this loud noise is?
keep hearing. Sound like a front end bushing, or maybe your door's not closed.
Oh yeah, I don't think my door is closed. I couldn't close it. It was too hard to close.
Brakes are feeling great.
Hope I don't fall out.
Again, I'm still making sure all my gauges are working. Feeling a little good now about this truck. I'm gaining back to my wanting to buy side.
Oh my god. I don't know if I'm trapped in here or what. You're gonna have to get me out.
Temperatures right around about 175.
Is that where it's supposed to be?
Yeah, we're not pulling any trailer, just regular bobtail. Goes in the gear pretty easy. Oh wow. The engine brake is horrible. Very low. Overall, the truck handles pretty good. Turbos are whistling. That's a good sign. Again, we're not looking for a brand new truck here, people. This is basically, this is gonna be a $5,000 offer into the little bit of work we may have to do.
How much work do you think you had to put into this truck?
Looking at the leaks, I'm guessing somewhere in about the $2,000 to $1,500 range. Again, that's gonna include on your mechanic. But I don't see no reason why I couldn't go to work tonight in it. I mean, I'm up to 65 miles an hour and everything's good, not shaking.
I'm shaking. Whoa. So what kinds of things are you looking for while you're test driving?
I'm seeing how the front end handles. I'm seeing how it accelerates, how it picks up. the overall feel of the truck, which in this case is about an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10, really?
Like the door rattling. Again, we're not getting a brand new truck. We're looking to only spend $5,000. Which I'm talking spend $5,000, but it can go to work right now, and I would go to work and start working it today. I mean, and who knows how soon we can make our money back off of $5,000. I mean, this is just a little clean up here, clean up there, a couple hoses. Those 2 tires, I would ride them in at least until May, maybe, depending on what kind of work I'm doing. Yeah, depending on what kind of work I'm doing. But these windshields have to be done immediately. That's the first thing DOT's gonna see. I mean, I'm comfortable enough now.
Do you think this truck would pass
back.
a state inspection?
Oh no, I could tell you now, no truck's gonna pass a state inspection the first time.
No, not on the first time.
I can tell you this one is definitely not gonna pass.
How much do you think we're talking to get this to pass state inspection?
I wouldn't say no more than about $2,000. But I mean, we got good brakes all the way around, good tires all the way around. The only thing I really see stopping you is the windshield and those leaks up in the front. But now let's say you live in Delaware. You'll go right through the day, you know, get those windshields and you'll be inspecting them all. Different states is different. Maryland to me is like one of the hardest states.
So when you go on your test drives, you always go and try to get it up to at least like 65 or so.
Yeah, I like to mainly take it on the main highway. At least go through all the gears and max it out, which that means until the computer won't pull anymore. Sometimes if you get there and a guy got a trailer, see if he'll let you pull it with the trailer on it. Then you really get the full effect and how it feels.
Right, because it could definitely be a different ball game.
I mean, it could drive good and smooth until you hook a trailer to it, and that weight, the clutch could start slipping. Clutch could be bad. I mean, at $5,000, I would definitely take this truck. I would even go as high as $7,000 on it. It's a 2002. It only has 300,000 original miles. It just mainly look like they let a driver go through the truck. Which you're gonna find a lot of that. Where these owners had these trucks and a driver are just killing. I can see these mirrors are loose. But I mean, the power windows and everything work. You don't see that every day. I mean, this transmission is still kind of tight here. I mean, these brakes are excellent, superb. So again, here we're only talking maybe $2,500 to get this thing tip-top shape. And I mean, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, maybe under 15 to 1,000. But I mean, as far as my assumption, 2 windshields and these hoses on the front, them tires I could get away with.
What is that thing?
What?
There's a teddy bear in the back.
You'll see
Whoa.
all kind of things when you're test driving.
Wow. That escalated quickly.
Other than that, I mean, not a bad truck.
Thank you.
Oh, God.
Uh-oh, guys. We might have a problem. What's the problem exactly?
After all, it seems like that clutch brake could be bad.
Or was that user error? Huh?
I would never like to blame myself.
It sounds like it could possibly have been a little bit of user error, guys, but I'm not sure because I'm a paper pusher. I normally don't get in the truck. Alright, we're done, right?